5% of them don't know fi check man. If you ever book a man in a that the position mark, then I bet your life that him is a
come on, me long time, friend. Hello, dear, nice to see you again for me. Me long time, friend. Hello, dear, nice to see you again. Now me take a little trip and me go away send. And me buck up on one of me long time friend. Me long time friend, me long time girlfriend, me long time girlfriend by the name of Gwen. She say, hi dear Tippa, oh you keeping? Me say me alright, but when you a defend, she say Tippa, you know me I go round the bend. A 2 year now me no a no boyfriend. Me say a girl like you I have problems. She say Tippa, you know how much money me spend fi pretty up myself fi find a boyfriend. The man them way out them me fed up of them. As it coming like none of them no want me again.
You have some man a badness them enjoy. When it comes to badness season, then take it for a toy. If them call to a girl and she no come out joy, then kick her and say you no respect bad boy. I come me jamming and me a sit down for me veranda. I drink golden brown that a Tia Maria. Me sight a pretty girl, me no know her but what me just rub a touch her and say, oh it's your sister. She say you know me say baby look ya. So you gonna call me if me never call to your ma. She say where you know me from? Me say oh it's your mother. Your mother never tell you that we go together. Well, she look for me good and I try to remember. As she start wonder, so me say, baby, look ya. No use me song where she name the daughter. Well, it's somewhere around a thing the corner. She said, down the bayside, me fly go answer. Yeah, she said, go where you like me, no live a Jamaica. Hey, them a done and them no look for check up. Hey, you the cherry, you me know me, you know. Hey, hey. Them a done and them no look for check up, man. Yeah, you the cherry, you me know me, you know what. Some man the eye get big like pat to me. Every time something fast and a that me do. Me say no you have a sister where resemble you. She say no, me say you never know me know your brother too. Always your baby, your little fat daughter, the little one that we usually suck the finger. She say feel me picking in a soft finger. Go away, me just rub her chest and say that me did. We say go away.
She say okay Gwen, me will solve your problem. Me live a East Lake Road, number 11. Just knock on me door and come in on me den, and I will be the cock and you can be the hen, and we will dogo from 1 till the 10. Tell me long time, friend. Hello dear, nice to see you again for me. Me long time, friend. Hello dear, nice to see you again. Come down.
Them a done and them no know fi check up. Hey, you the cherry, you me know me, you know. Hey, hey. Them a done and them no know fi check up, man. Hey, you the cherry, you me know me, you know. You say that no work again, my brethren. First thing them a go say, it's here you lose it. If I that you a depend pan forget a nice thing. You da dead like a dog with your Jones your kid. Forget them your girl, your argument a fierce thing like a boom DJ. You sit down for her rhythm, all the high nice girl, hello good looking. You no get no girl again with them the same thing. You feel like a me with life it come with. When you sight or you go like you know from a kid and shout, my God, what a way you grow big. How come you never tell me that you start with speak?